Hey y'all, let's make some strawberry kiwi lemonade. And I'm juicing the fruit that I'm using today using my Kuvings 10 Auto Plus that I just got, and I absolutely loved it. I got it for a sale on the Black Friday sale. So peeling kiwis are pretty easy. You just cut both ends and then take a spoon and just slide that skin right off as you see me doing right here. It's so easy to peel kiwis. But I must say that using the Kuvings Auto 10, like if you don't want to peel them, you don't have to. Um, because I actually recently juiced them and I didn't actually even peel them. I just made sure to wash them and put them straight into my juicer, and there was no fuzz in it at all. I have a video on that. That's probably going to be the video before this. But here I am putting together my Kuvings Auto 10 Plus. Sorry, y'all, but yes, when I say I love this thing, I use it several times per week. So I just add in all of my fruit, and I think I said earlier that I end up having to add more strawberries because you want 1 cup of fruit juice and 1 cup of lemon juice.
That was not a lot. I'm gonna have to do some more strawberries because I need at least 1 cup of juice.
So I ended up with 1 cup of strawberry kiwi juice.
So now we're gonna juice this bag of lemons.
I love a fat ass. I really love a fat ass. Like, why is this bitch staring? Because you got a fat ass. And I want to touch you.
So this made exactly a cup, 8 ounces. So that's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and add. This is 3 cups of sugar, and we're going to also add. This is our 1 cup of whatever fruit juice you want to use. So like this is kiwi strawberry, but if you wanted to do, I did pomegranate before. You know basically do you need 2 cups of juice total. So yeah, 2 cups of juice, and one of those cups needs to be lemon juice. Or you can do more or less. You know, it just depends on how you want the flavor to be. My gallon of water. I didn't use a full gallon of water. It's still quite a bit left. So you want to make sure you stir really good. And I didn't feel like doing it today, but sometimes I actually make a simple syrup which dissolves so much better. I make a strawberry simple syrup. Probably show you guys that next time if you want to see. And there you have it. Kiwi strawberry lemonade. And I'm telling you, it's so delicious.